Now, how do you turn off the blinking light on iPhone? Let's explain that. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Anyways, there are more things you might mean by the blinking light. You might be referring to the front-facing, dynamic island blinking, or the flash on the back. So let's cover everything. When it comes to the front-facing camera, it might appear like it's blinking in this red sort of like this color, but it's only when you are using the Face ID feature to scan your face, right? So if this is being used, then the sensor is trying to scan your face and it might appear like it's blinking, right? But it's part of a feature. You cannot really turn it off unless you stop using the Face ID altogether. Okay, but on the other hand, if you have in mind the back light next to the camera, you can also turn this off when it's blinking for incoming calls and notifications. And you can find it in the main settings app of the iPhone, where you tap on the accessibility section, and part of accessibility, you have the audio and visual. And at the bottom, we have the LED flash for alerts, which can be enabled or disabled, right? Generally, and also specifically for the unlocked mode and the silent mode. So you can see plenty of options to pick from, but this is also a thing for a lot of people. Perhaps you want to enable it or disable it, and now you know where you can find it. So for more tutorials, hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss them. But also, let me know in the comments if there is something that you are wondering about or a question you have. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later in the next upcoming tutorials.